Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template which is animated, and you can also download this template from the link in the description. I have also provided these link to these resources that I have used. So let's begin. First of all, open up a blank slide and go to Insert tab and Pictures. And from the link in the description, I have provided the link to these images. You can check out that link to put these images. Now I'll use eyedropper to give a darker shade of the same color of the image. So let me just use this color. Yeah, this looks nice. Now insert a straight line just onto the left side of this donut. You're going to change this color to white and align it into the center and the middle. Now let's just go to format object, like the format shape. So we're just increase this transparency to 10%. Close the format background panel. Next we're gonna insert a text box for the title, and we're gonna write our title. Bit is gonna be the name of this donut. So the font I'm using is regular modern love. So you can download this font from the Google Fonts or from Chrome. So let me just insert my other text that I'll use in this template. Decrease the size and align it to the left side, and then change its color to white as well. And what we're gonna do next is just put it right here so that we can easily put our text. Next, we're gonna insert a small text box for the subtitle of this slide. Change its color to white. Go to Insert tab and Icons, and from the Icons tab, what we're gonna do is insert a star from here. Let's use these three stars. So we're gonna convert them to shape, remove these two of these stars, and use this one star. We're gonna change its height and weight to the same. So I'll use 1 centimeter. Now duplicate it by pressing Control plus D. We're gonna duplicate it about 5 times, and we're gonna give them a fill of white color and remove the outline. Yeah, so we're gonna put them right here like this. Now let's just uh, remove one star. So I'll just put it to 4 stars. 4 stars would be enough for this one because I have planned to use 5 stars for other of the donut that I really like. So this is according to your choice that you want to do. Next, we're gonna align them horizontally and then distribute them vertically. Increase the size of this subtitle because I want it to look as the same size as the little stars. So let's put it right here and group everything and then put it into the middle. Next, we're gonna ungroup it all. The next thing we're gonna do is duplicate the slide. Next, what we're gonna do is remove this image. Yeah, first of all, remove this image, go to Insert tab and Pictures and insert a second donut. Now what we're going to do is go back to the previous slide and paste its donut onto this slide so that we can compare both of their sizes and we can use equal sizes for them. I'll resize my second donut and remove the previous donut. Next, we're going to put it in the place of the first donut. Go to format background and use eyedropper to give a different color. As you can see, this color is too bright, so I'll use a darker color like this. Now change your title. The title have to be something like that describes what your content is about. Next, you're gonna insert the content text that describes what image is about, or its flavor, or everything about it. Or you can also write ingredients as well. And for the stars, let me just give it 3 stars. And now duplicate the slide. Next, we're gonna insert a third donut, and we're gonna resize it using our previous donut. We're gonna use equal sizes. So I have made the equal sizes. Now remove the previous donut and put this donut into the middle. Go to format background and use eyedropper to give the background a color. I'll use this one, but let's just give it some more darker color. Yeah. Now change the title. I'll use dark chocolate as the title for this template. We're gonna insert our content text that describes the flavor of this donut or anything else. Next, we're gonna give it 5 stars because chocolate is my favorite flavor. So next we're gonna duplicate this slide and we're gonna insert a fourth donut and we're gonna resize it according to the previous donut. And now I have made their sizes equal, so I'll remove the previous donut and put this one into the middle, right onto the right side. Now go to format background and use eyedropper to give a darker color to the background. This color is too bright, so I'll just use a darker shade for that goes into the pink. But this one looks more like red, so I'll use this light pink color. We're gonna change our title, but as you can see, this title is too long that it is going onto my picture, so I'll cut it into half. Next, we'll insert our content text. And we're gonna give it the same text format as the text before on in this text box. Remove the last slide. Now we're gonna duplicate the first slide. Let me just remove it first. What we're gonna do is go to second slide and copy all of its contents except for the straight line. Paste it onto the first slide and you, while holding shift, move the text downwards along with everything, and for the image make it smaller while holding control and move it on out of the slide onto the right side. Similarly, copy everything from this slide and paste it onto the second slide except for the straight line. While holding shift, move everything upwards. Next, we're gonna copy everything onto the third slide and paste it onto the second slide, except for the line. And we're gonna move this text box right downwards, and the donut goes to be smaller onto the right side. Select everything from second slide and move copy and paste it onto the third one and move it out of the slide. Similarly, we're gonna copy the contents of fourth slide and paste it onto the third slide, move it onto down the slide, and for the donut we're gonna decrease its size and send it to the right side. Copy everything from this third slide and paste it onto the fourth slide. We're gonna move the text box upwards while holding shift. Now we're gonna duplicate the first slide and we're gonna go to first slide, and next now remove these out of the slide content, decrease the donut size, and we're gonna move it right on the right side, and for the text and the outline it will go downwards. So this is gonna be our opening slide, so we'll just insert our text box that describes what our entire template is about. Increase its size. Next we're gonna give it the same Modern Love regular font. We're gonna change its color to white and then put it into the middle and the center of the slide. We're gonna insert an icon according to the food that we're using in this template. So right now I'm using a donut, so I'll duplicate this donut icon and then put it right here as well. This looks just perfect. Next, we're going to select all of the slides, go to Insert Transitions tab, and then click on More Transition. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. You can also get these pictures for free from the link in the description. I have made a zip file for them. See you in another video soon.